You got him? Yeet! Oh, he came off.
Darn.
Dang.
That was a big one.
Dude, he was pulling drag, bro.
Oh.
You had him hooked for a good 2 seconds.
Oh, yeah.
He was fighting back, right?
Yeah, I felt it.
Yeah.
Darn.
Had to have been.
And nothing rips the hook out like that.
Dude, he was going so fast.
I've never seen a bass like that.
That was cool, dude.
That was definitely a fish.
Yeah, he was flying with it. Where'd you catch? Just under that tree?
Yeah. Because did you see my line shoot off?
Dude, that was crazy how fast your line was going. I got the line again. That's actually a good bass that I could get.
Oh, man.
I just got that on camera. That I could get.
Oh. You okay?
My butt. Ah, dang it. Oh, that just hurts. God, shadow cliffs. Well, I'm soaked now. Oh, my butt. Ow.
What happened?
Yeah. Dude, that is good line on it.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Oh. I stepped right there because I saw a good bass. And then from there on, I just fell in. There was a little pocket. I thought I could stand there, and boom, my butt landed right on the root. Oh, my butt. I'm soaked now, but I don't really care. I mean, look at this ground. It's not even ground, really. I'm still gonna fish. Tough it out.
Oh, that is a decent guy.
You see him?
Oh, I was felt it.
Yeah. In that pocket, I slipped. I was thinking to myself, oh, someone's gonna slip there.
That took a while, actually.
Like right here, too. I was like thinking, oh, someone's going down, bruh.
Someone's going. Well, why'd you step in that?
Real. Oh, dude, is he wrapped up?
Yeah, I got him.
He's wrapped up, dude. Dude.
Oh my god, it feels giant.
He just, no, he's not on.
Are you sure? He might just be in the thick of it.
No, I don't think he's on. Yeah, you got him. Oh my god, that's a slug. That's a slug. Dude. Dude, bring him up here. This is a PB. Oh, okay. Yeah! Look at that fish. Look at that fish. You're like, don't turn on the camera. Please, bruh. Look at this thing. It's like 3. Do you have a scale?
No, I don't have a scale. Do you have a scale? Oh,
No, I don't have a scale.
That's so heavy.
Dude. Hey, do you guys have a scale? You do?
Can we borrow it?
Can we borrow it?
Oh, that's a heavy fish. Dude, he inhaled it.
Yeah.
That's a nice one.
Look at that fish.
Look at that,
bruh.
fish.
I'd say 3.
Yeah, 3.
3
maybe.
probably.
Pushing 3.
Yeah.
He's just heavy. Dude, and we wondered why we
Dude,
kept
and you
missing
said
him.
don't turn on the camera, please, bro.
Because I thought I was just going to lose him.
You missed it just like 5 times.
Dude,
Almost 3 pounds.
So almost 3 pounds.
Almost 3.
Thank you.
That's still a slug for here, bro.
Can you get a picture with your phone?
Yeah.